What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a multi-tool to review, and this one comes from SOG, SOG, the Power Access Deluxe multi-tool with 2 times the grip with compound leverage, meaning you don't have to squeeze that much because it amplifies your squeeze strength up to 2 times, and 21 tools in one plus 12-piece hex bit kit. So this comes with a hex bit kit, which is absolutely fantastic. Designed in the USA, guaranteed for life. I don't think this is USA made since it says designed in the USA. Let's take a quick look at the back of this package. So you're going to get the synthetic pouch with hex bit compartment right there, smack down on the middle. 12-piece hex bit, that's how it's gonna look. It kind of looks absolutely fantastic. The multi-power access deluxe, it is a magnetic bit holder, which is good. So quick rundown: you have your needle nose pliers, your soft wire cutter, straight edge blade, inch ruler, can opener, small flathead screwdriver, number 2 Phillips, jewelry driver for glasses and stuff like that, bottle opener, medium flathead screwdriver, serrated blade, wood saw, chisel, 1/2 inch driver, a awl, multimeter ruler, and a 3-sided file, wire crimper, and a protractor, bolt gripper, and obviously your 21 is that magnetic bit holder. So without further ado, let's take a look at this bad boy real quick. Let's get this opened. If I can open it. And this is the Gerber. I don't know what this, I got this from work. It's just a Gerber knife. So let's take a look at this bad boy. All right. Very smooth action. I absolutely love to see that. That is your bit holder right there. Bam. Feels good. That's just oil. Look at that. Very nice. Opens pretty. And this thing looks amazing. I love it because the tools are outside. Now the blade's all right. It's not the best. It's pretty thin, but this is a multi-tool, so it's just to get you out of a pinch. Look at that. You have your blade, can opener, bottle opener, number 2 Phillips, jewelry, flat saw, all accessible from the outside, which is absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and put this. And I think they all lock. Yeah, they lock. And how do you unlock it? So this is your lock right here. So when your tools are locked in place like that, you pull back right here, bam, and it unlocks it. Bam, and it unlocks it there. This is your lock mechanism right here. And let's take a quick look at the other side, which is the same side. Oh no. Here we go. Bam, 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 bam. And this is what we have on the other side, all accessible from the outside as well. Your file, your awl. This is another bit driver right here, 1/4 inch bit driver, and flathead, pry bar, and saw. Damn, this saw is aggressive. Look at that. It's like double-sided wood saw, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and put that back. Now let's take a look at the sheath. The sheath is very nice. You got a flashlight side there. Boom. This is for your bits. I guess this goes here on the side of the bits here, like so. Like that. Bam. And let's take a look at these bits. Very nice. So basically, pop one of these bad boys out. Right? You open the bit driver. This bad boy just, boom, right there. Locks right there in the middle. You see that? And then you have your screwdriver. Or, if you don't want to use it that way, you can grab this bad boy. Oh, they're a little hard in there, huh? And that's why you have your Knipex pliers. Look at that. Then you have, where is this bad boy? Right here. Take out this dude. Right? And you can use this tool like that on the side, so if you want to get more torque, or has two, you can go all the way up as well like that. Now you have that you can put, and then you put a driver. It's magnetic. Boom. You can use your bit, so you got different bits right there. Boom. Works absolutely fantastic. I like it that you do have two. You can torque down if you really need to get some torque. Bam, like that. Or you can use it regular. So there's two ways you can use this bad boy, which is absolutely fantastic. Very nice. You just pull back like that right here, and it unlocks all your tools. Very good looking multi-tool, actually. I like the nice fluid motion of this. Now, the wire cutters are not replaceable, so once they're done, they're done. But very nice, pocketable, very nice, good looking tools. You get your sheath with it, so you get everything that you need. Your bit drivers, you get a side for your bit drivers right there, and you're good to go. Look at that. Bam. Put that bad boy in like that, and you're good. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions regarding this multi-tool, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.